Everyone, I am going to explain some questions from exercise 4.1 and 4.2 of class 12th maths. So firstly we will start from exercise 4.1 question number 6th. Find the value of determinant. So we have to solve this determinant. So the solution is, first we will write down the given determinant, that is 3, 5 minus 10, 3, 5 minus 10, minus 11, 0, 3, then 1, 0, 0. So simply here we have to find out its determinant. So we'll expand either along the second row or along the third column, because in second row also 2 elements are 0 and in third column also 2 elements are 0. So I will prefer the third column. So we'll write down that we are going to expand it along third column. So we'll write here first, on expanding along third column. So students, along this I am going to expand it. So how to expand it, just understand properly. So this columns elements, if I will write it, we can write it as this means only this columns element I am just writing. So that I am just writing here. So that is our A13, then A23 and then A33. Means this element is actually our A13, means first row third column, then second row third column, so A22, and then third row third column, so A33. So to expand it, first we have to write down the whatever be the cofactor of it, that we have to write down. So first the number is 1 is there. So before that we have to write down like this formula, that minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3, because students the number we have to multiply by the cofactors, and in cofactors this we have to write down, and then the number is our 1 and the cofactor, so that I am going to calculate here. So I hope you are getting it, because in one of the question we had done it, the number we have to multiply by the cofactor. In cofactor this we have to write down. So we will do it in all the terms, like that we have to do. Since this term is your A13, that's why minus 1 to the power 13. Now number is your 1, so I wrote 1 here. Now we have to write down here minor. So for that, since we are writing for this one, so we'll imaginary we'll do the cross it, column this cross and the row also this cross. You will get only this matrix, that is 5 3s are 15 and minus. So you will get here 15 minus 0. I hope it's clear to you. For 1 we are writing, so just cross it. So when we will cross here, you will get 5 3s are 15 and 0 10s are 0. Now second element and third elements are 0. So here directly 0 0 will come, because no use to write down all the complete things, because everything is going to be 0, that's why. So its answer is going to be minus 1 power 4 minus 1 power 4, then 1 multiplied by 50, that is only 50. So answer is 50. Now this is the benefit to open along the first column, because these terms are 0. So here whatever answer is going to become, complete is going to be 0. So only this is our answer. Now we'll move to the next question of the same exercise. The question is exercise 4.1, solution of question 7th. So in that we have to prove that something to prove. So we will start by the left hand side. The left hand side is You can see the question in your books. 1 minus a minus b, then a1 c, then bc1 bc1. So that we have to prove equal to the right hand side. So we'll start to expand it. So I'm going to expand it along the first row. So on expanding along first row, because in this no element is 0, so you can open along any row and any column. So I prefer to open first row. So it's going to be, since the first row's elements places are going to be like this, a11, then a12, then a13. So here first minus 1 to the power, because we have here 1 1, so it's going to be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. So we'll get here 1 plus 1, then the number which is at this place, that is 1. So that will come in multiplied by 1 multiplied by its minor. So for that we'll cross it and we'll get only this determinant. So it's going to be 1 1 ja 1 and c into c, c square. So here we'll get 1 minus c square, then plus, now we are writing for the second term of the first row, that is a12. So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, then the element itself. So element which is written here is a, so we'll write here a multiplied by the minor of this. For that we'll cross like this. So we'll get here only minus a, minus b and c and 1. So it's going to be minus a multiplied by 1 and then c multiplied by minus b. That will get here minus a minus minus plus b c. Now we are going to write down for this third term. For the third term is going to be like this, plus minus 1 to the power. Now here we have 1 3, so it's going to be 1 plus 3, then the number itself, the number is b. So we'll write down here multiplied by b, then multiplied by, so minor of this, so we'll cross it. So this is going to be our minor. So that is minus a into c, that is minus ac, then minus b into 1. So minus minus plus b into 1 is b. Now we'll solve this. So when we'll solve it, we'll get here minus 1 power 2 and then bracket 1 minus c square plus minus 1 power 3, then a bracket minus a plus b c, then plus minus 1 power 4 b multiplied by minus ac plus b. So we'll solve this. It's going to be positive 1 minus c square. Now here it's going to be negative. So by minus, it's going to be minus a. So by minus a, just open it. So you will get here minus a square, or minus minus going to be plus a square, and then you will get here minus a b c. Then here you have minus 1 to the power 4, so it's going to be positive, so it's going to be plus b. So plus b, just open it. So you will get here minus a b c, then plus b square. Here actually minus c will come, so I took here plus c. So the answer is getting varying, it's not matching. So we'll change it again. So by taking it minus c, it's going to be here plus c. In the same way, when we'll write down for this column, then also it will change. For this column, it's going to be here plus ac. I hope after this we'll get our answer. So here we'll make here plus c, and here also. So we will get here plus C plus ABC. Now after this you will get here 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square, because this ABC and ABC got cancelled. So students, don't get confused here. Actually I by mistake I wrote here positive C, that's why initially the answer not matched, but after that because of this minus C we had done the correction, so we obtained this answer. Now you will just try by yourself again, you will get it surely. Now we'll move to the some easy. In your syllabus only 4.1 is there, but some questions are present in the 4.2 exercise, which are the parts of exercise 4.1 concept. So that questions we are going to do now. So in 4.2 you have to find out only the ratios, and this we already had in exercise, so you can do. And then minor of the second row you have to calculate. So second row is minor. This same question we had in exercise 4.1 also, and there I taught you. So you again just try by your own self, and if you are getting problem you just ask from me. And find the value of determinant. So this determinant value you have to find out. So you can do how I calculated just now the determinant. In the same way, open along any one row or along any one column, you will get your answer. Now here the question number 4th, write the effect on value of determinant if first and third columns of any determinant are interchanged. So students, if you are going to interchange any one column or two column, means places if you have to interchange the first column and any other column, if you will interchange, then only the value of determinant will changes, sign will change. Suppose here you are going to get suppose plus 10, then the after interchanging when you will calculate it again it is going to be minus 10. So whatever be the determinant value, that sign will change. If you are getting positive, then next time after interchanging you will get it in negative form. So only sign will interchange because of this changes. So all the questions of 4.2, all these 4 questions you will try. If you have any problem you can write in comment, so that I will solve and I will upload the video. Thank you.